Sir, very happy evening to all my dear lovable students. I believe that your audit examination today have gone very well. This video is not to evaluate how the audit exam was. Over is over, past is past. We will come to the last one examination called as EFM and SM, my dear lovable students, which will be termed as EFM bar SM. This is the strategy for 1.5 days for the FM and SM. For the last 2 days, nearly you would have spent 100% of the time with the theory paper. So my suggestion to you is today, evening slot number 1, evening 7 to 11:30 in FM, please complete leverage analysis, ratio analysis, dividend decision. From leverage analysis, a 5 to 7 mark question is mandatory. Ratio analysis, 5 to 7 mark question is mandatory. Dividend decision, 5 to 7 mark, minimum 5 mark question is mandatory. So this is like a 15 mark slot which you are going to be complete by today. Our brain will be little happy because we are not dumping again with theory of strategic management. Sir, at least try to do 7 questions, 7 questions, 7 questions, 7 into 3, 21 question you try to sit and solve. Then the mood will change from audit to FM and SM. Tomorrow morning, a very important slot, my dear lovable students. Morning 7 to 11 o'clock in SM, complete chapter number 1, chapter number 4, chapter number 5. Chapter number 1 is a very small chapter which you can quickly complete. Chapter number 4 and 5 are important chapters, my dear lovable students. So tomorrow morning itself, try to complete those chapters. Nearly 4 hours has been allotted for your revisions. Super. Then slot number 3. By 11:30, by 12 max, you back to the FM. In that, we are going to deal with 2 chapters. One is working capital management and capital budgeting. Working capital management will come for 8 to 10 mark. Capital budgeting will come for 8 to 10 mark. Nearly 7 hours has been allotted for you, including the lunch break. 2 topics, 2 gigantic topics you are going to deal it. At least solve 10 questions from working capital management, 10 questions from capital budgeting, minimum 20 question, and balance question you just go through, my dear lovable students. Come on. By evening 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, next 3 hours, again you will come and revise SM, 3 hours of solid SM. Chapter number 2 and chapter number 3 should be completed, man. Then night 10 to 11:30, start with cost of capital. If you are able to complete, well and good. If not, my dear lovable students, cost of capital to be continued on the day of examination. And you have to complete capital structure theories till your breakfast, till 9:30. From 10 to 12 o'clock, before you go to the examination, please do indifference point, very easy topic. EPS, EBAT analysis, a very easy topic for the last 2 hours. This will really, sir, settle or balance both the papers, FM and SM. Sir, FM is a problem paper. Don't spend your entire 1.5 days with a problem paper. SM is a theory paper. Don't spend too much of time with the theory paper. You should know how to balance these 2 papers because that will really determine the success in this paper. If you see in group number 1, DT and IDT, always mixed papers will create some problem. This is also a mixed paper. If you want to write it properly, my dear lovable students, please revise it properly. This is a last exam. Last 1.5 days, you are going to prepare for the entire inter in your life. There won't be another 1.5 days because we will become CA final students. The batch, the name, the group, the designation is going to be changed. You will be called as CA finalist. So, with that positive mindset, approach this FM and SM. I just want to hear from you all. If you want to become a CA finalist, that Kandipa in the May Matunda CA finalist da will meet at the appropriate time, my dear lovable students. Sir, utilize 1.5 days in a very, very effective manner. Thank you. Bye-bye from ANM.